So I want to show you the turkey hunt of this year's opening day. So if you'll stay tuned, it's coming right up. So starting out, I wanted to see if I could see any turkeys. So I went just to have a look-see. So I got out in front of the group and I got my decoy set up and I found a place to get out of the way and hide. I can still hear a little bit of cutting in the distance. There was a couple more with this guy and they've gone off into the woods, but I can still hear him. He's kind of jerking a little bit there. It's just a natural reaction, but we'll wait for that to stop. Well, I've kind of pulled him off into the woods here. I can still hear some kind of cutting off into the distance there. This is definitely a mature bird. We got some pretty decent spikes on there. He may not be the biggest. Oh, but we've got I'd say, we're looking at a decent length of a beard. Oh, and he's rolled over. So, he may not be one for the record books, but it's definitely an adult male. Alright, well, we're going to clean him up and we'll put him in the freezer and we'll have him for Thanksgiving. He didn't strut that much, but we definitely got us a fan there. Alright. Done for 2016. Spring turkey hunt. Got us a gobbler.